And it's a great morning again, guys. Flex natin tong order ni Sir. Umorder siya sa atin itong ating the project na feedback. Material of this one is weatherproof. So, kahit may konting ulan-ulan, okay lang yan. Yung kanyang top enclosure, yan, very spacious. Kasya yung mga 1.5 natin na mga soft drinks dyan. And then may enclosure din siya to make sure yung gamit nyo is safe. Snap-on closure at the back para pwede nyo ikabit sa inyong mga handlebars and yung iba sa frames. Maraming colors na available to guys. Also, meron din siyang order na the project na paisley, par tape, set of 2 with par ends already. And itong ating the project na spacer. So, set of 3 yung the project spacer, 5, 10, and 15 mm. This one is the polished silver. Available also in black color. Order din si Sir sa atin itong ating the project na 0 degree stem. Yan ang kanyang color, black. Matte black siya guys. And sizes, madaming sizes. 80, 90, 100, 110, and 120 mm ang mga sizes. Ang kinuha ni Sir is the 90 mm. Aluminum kaya sobrang gaan lang siya guys. And then the clamping is 31.8 clamping. And kumuha din si Sir sa atin itong repair kit. And also spokes na 700C stainless. Polished silver. Yan. Ang haba nito is 282 mm. And also available in black. Ang isang set natin guys is 36 pieces. And yung kanyang nipples is brass nipples already. And also kumuha si Sir sa atin itong the project sleigh rings natin, 700C. Kung magbubuo kayo or kailangan nyo ng mga bike upgrade parts and accessories, do check our site bmxcyclecenter.com or send us a DM. We will be happy to assist you or drop by the shop and we would love to see you guys.